MTR System, an innovative choice for advanced building sites. The MTR System is the most reliable one in the field of steel concrete composite structures. Thanks to its innovative morphology, the MTR System consists of three types of beams: MTR A, MTR T, and MTR C, and a dedicated calculation software. The MTR software was designed by MTR, the software house that MTR A relies on to investigate, experiment, and develop new technologies under a certified quality system. It perfectly integrates with the main structural calculation software such as SAP 2000, ETABS, Axis, and Tekla structures, while building a synergy between the MTR designer and the principal designer. With the MTR system, the structural design fits any building usage. An engineer from MTR A technical team will be the MTR representative designer and will present the best design solution with the MTR system, depending on the requirements in terms of construction program, structure, and allocated financial resources. Each building can be designed and constructed using the technical aspects of either a single type or different types of MTR beam. Let's take a residential building as an example. The highly recommended products are the MTR A and MTR T beams. MTR A beam, self-supporting during assembly and casting of the deck, and with a steel bottom plate which acts as reinforcement and formwork. MTR T beam, to be formworked and propped up during assembly and casting of the deck, with no bottom plate and completely embedded in the cast concrete. For the construction of floors, part of car parks and commercial buildings where fire resistance protection is required, after arranging the perimeter of the basement with the assembly of the precast twin walls, and after building the pillars of the first floor, MTR A offers two solutions. Solution 1 provides for MTR beams resting on predal slabs. Solution 2, MTR A beams, also R60, 90, 120, with predal slabs. Thanks to the self-supporting nature of the MTR A beam, construction times are halved, formwork and shoring are totally eliminated, and the column cross-sections are considerably reduced. Adopting the MTR T beams also helps to reduce the required construction time, even though it is not self-supporting and requires formwork. It is a prefabricated beam, so there is no need for overhead installation of reinforcement on site. In addition, thanks to the thickness of predal slab on which it rests, R120 fire resistance protection is ensured. For residential buildings, MTR A offers three solutions for the total prefabrication of the horizontal structures, aiming to keep consistent the thickness of the floor. Solution 1, totally self-supporting, consists in the use of MTR A beams only, combined with different types of floor, such as beam and block slabs with hollow clay bricks or EPS lightening, predal slab, partially or totally self-supporting. Solution 2 consists in the use of MTR T beams placed on the wooden formwork or on the top of the predal slab. Solution 3 is the optimal solution, the hybrid one. Totally self-supporting MTR A beams to be used in the central part of the building, and MTR T beams on the cantilevers to embed the steel into the concrete while remaining within the thickness of the floor. The assembly of the beam and block slabs with hollow clay bricks or EPS lightening completes the horizontal structure. The assembly of the beams is then completed by the addition of joints reinforcement. The speed and ease of assembly of the MTR system reduces the cost and time required to build a horizontal structure by up to 60%. All types of MTR beams are manufactured in the factory and arrive on site ready to be installed. They are not stored before assembly. They are placed directly on the columns from the truck. Less handling means reduction of costs and time. With the MTR system, the amount of work on site is reduced. Formwork are also largely reduced with MTR beams and are totally removed from the MTR A beams. By reducing or totally eliminating shoring and formwork, the additional cost of running a building site is optimized. The use of the MTR system in combination with any type of floor leads to 100% prefabrication of the horizontal structure. The complete prefabrication guarantees greater safety on site, driving down risks and complexities related to overhead assembly, typical of traditional reinforced concrete solutions. Spaces are optimized thanks to hidden beams, column sections reduction and larger spans. Therefore, structures will have larger bays than those with traditional beams. Structures with perimeter beams within the thickness of the floor, as well as architecturally complex structures, can be created. MTR System, a range of possibilities to get the best results and meet any technical and financial requirement.